Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome back to Noor Nest.
Today, we're making a super yummy no-cook treat.
Sweet and creamy. Date and banana popsicles. First, take 8 soft dates. Don't forget to remove the seeds.
Or else, your blender will get angry.
Next, add 1 ripe banana. Bananas make it creamy and sweet.
Now, pour in 1 cup of milk. Any milk you like, even almond or oat milk.
Blend it all until smooth and yummy.
Pour the mixture into popsicle molds and pop them into the freezer.
Wait a few hours. And ta-da! Your healthy sunnah treat is ready. These popsicles are so creamy and delicious.
And the best part? No fire, no cooking, just fun.
Try this recipe with your family and share the sweetness.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Noor Nest.